very interesting tool and effective for classroom teaching and learning. Let's take a look at what we can do on the Canva app. This is my dashboard, and you can see that there are templates, projects, and also an option for you to create a class team. This means you can also collaborate on Canva. Let's imagine you want to create something for your class. You can create worksheets, flashcards, resource proposals. You can also tell your students to do this as project assignments so that you can able to help them build their own creative skills and also graphic design skills or resource creation skills. Recently I checked for something called the Gerund quiz, and we know that Gerund is a topic that you can teach the high school students and also college students. This is one template I really like. I just caught my fancy early yesterday, and this is where you can customize the template. You come here and you can see that it automatically takes you to that particular template. You can just edit one of the templates, or you can also edit all the templates, and you can apply all the pages depending on what you really want and what you really want to achieve and what is very useful and resourceful for your classroom. Let's take a quick look at the basic features that the Canva tool has. This is the designs where you can get different sample templates for birthdays, for parties, for proposals, educational content, professional content, brand content. You can get all this on this design, different beautiful templates. This is elements. Under the element features, you get to see graphics, shapes. You can also see the AI generator, image generator. You can see tables, photos, videos, audios, charts, stickers, frames, grid, elements, things that can make your presentation, things that can make your resource beautiful, attractive visually, and what you see on the elements. Here we have the text, and under the text you can add a subheading, you can add a heading, you can add body text and all that. There are also beautiful templates for text, which means you may not want to use a blank, boring text format. Under brand, if you want to create a consistent brand for yourself, your logos, want to have a voice, this is where you come to. You can explore this feature too. Uploads is where you can upload your images, your videos and your audios. You can upload them here. We have draw. The draw tool is mostly used as a whiteboard. With students, you can create a form of collaboration on your whiteboard using the drawing tool, where students are able to pick different pencils of different colors, erase, talk about a particular concept, create mind maps and all that using the drawing tool. We have projects. Projects are different designs that you've done. They are being saved under the folder called your projects. And under this folder you have different designs that you have done. You also have folders, you have images, videos that you've uploaded personally for your content. And one of the interesting things are the apps. Canva has over 500 apps, and these apps the aim is to make your resource more beautiful, make it more appealing, to make it more resourceful. You can put in videos. It can also help to animate the process. Here you can see different beautiful, useful, resourceful, effective, productive apps. In fact, even the ones that you've not even come across on a normal day. Okay, so let's take a quick dive into how to do basic formatting on Canva. Here we have a quiz on using this, and I would like to quickly change. I want to put this as ESL 101. Do a Ctrl A. I can change the font Canva has over 1,000 fonts, and that makes it more effective because you're able to have access to more beautiful fonts just the way you have them on PowerPoint and other beautiful design apps. You don't have to start from the scratch. You can just do a drag and drop, change some things, and you're good to go. So I can change the color of this box. Imagine, in case I don't really like it or it does not suit what I really want to do, I can change it to this. And also I can change the ASL 101. I can change it to this, and you can see it's coming out beautifully. Here we have it, and you can delete this if you think it does not work. You can also increase the font. You can drag this if you want to, or you can come here to increase the font size, change the font, change the font color. Also you get alignment, bullet points. This is for spacing, the effects, animation, positions, in case you want to go to the back, wanted to bring it forward, is transparency. So all these are features that help to make the Canva tool more interesting to use. You can delete the image and you want to put something new. So let's see how this works. And I'm going to be doing this now using the element. So I go to my element of photos, and this is what I have. I can search for a female black teacher. So I say a black female teacher. Give me the pictures, and I have the liberty to choose the one I feel it's more suitable for what I really want to achieve. I can come here and do this. I can also click on it in case I want to drag. Here we have it, something presentable. You can also change the background if you want to. You can also animate it depending on what you want to do. This is for transition. But right now I want to show you how to use a text to image, that is AI tool. Come here and I go straight to help. Go to help. At this point I want to use a text to image. In Canva it's called the Magic Studio. So I go to Magic Media. Go to Magic Media, and you can see we have text to image. Let me create a picture of students in the classroom, picture of high school students. Once you do this, you generate image. Now this is going to take time, but apparently it takes about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and you have your image. This comes in form of photos, so you can put it as a photo. You can see different examples, and this works for me. I can drag it if I want to. I can do anything I would want to do with the picture. And once you're done, you feel you're done editing, you go to share. You can change the title here. Come here to change the title of the presentation. I can make it ASL 101. Then I go to share. Another exciting thing that you need to know about Canva is the fact that you can download in any format. You can download MP4, PDF, PowerPoint, JPEG, PNG, SVG, and GIF. So I can come here and I also can download all the pages, or I can just download different pages, either in any way I would want to do that. Once you're done with that, you click on download and it automatically saves on your gallery. If you have any question, you can reach out to me. You can send an email to lighteasy7@gmail.com, or you can join my community, the A+ Educators community. Don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn for more tech tips and resources.